We just talked a moment ago about the Trump administration taking aim at St. Paul today, saying basically they're allowing crime to continue instead of working with the Trump administration to arrest these undocumented criminals. So I'm curious what ICE activity has been looking like in Minneapolis, and then you and I have talked about this and your stance on and kind of clarifying around what is MPD's role as far as or not in supporting this.
Yeah, I mean, I think it's unfortunate the way a lot of this is being talked about in the media. I know Chief Henry in St. Paul is an outstanding police chief, and like me, he, and I'm sure both of our mayors, we want to get criminals off the street. We want people off the street that are felons, that are violent offenders, people that are sexual predators. We want all of them off the street, whether they're in the country legally or illegally. And I'll speak for Minneapolis, at least from my perspective. I want as much federal law enforcement out there going after violent criminals and people that are causing harm in the community as I can possibly get. I want Minneapolis to get our fair share. At the same time, we don't have legal authority. It's simply not our job to go after people that maybe their visa is expired or they're here undocumented, but they've been living here for 20 or 30 years, and they're just here. They're cutting your grass, they're washing your dishes, they're making your food. That's not our job, and it's none of our business. And really, it would have a chilling effect on public safety, which is what we're really here to provide.
Is that happening here? That you know of?
I know of. There have been some arrests. I don't know of any. If you would, collateral arrests for people that are not violent criminals, they're not felons, that people that were simply here undocumented. I mean, I think it's a matter of numbers. There's millions of people here that are here undocumented. If you're going to go after folks, why wouldn't you go after people that are out here that should have been removed because they're causing violence?
Yeah. There's, as you know, you hear from people. There's a lot of just fear. We report on it every day from people who are just unsure.
We need the community to know across the board. We don't care if you're just here undocumented. That's not our job. It's not our business. Please, no matter what community you're from, if you're being victimized, call the police. Because that's the only way we can keep the community at large safe, is if people are willing to tell us what's going on.